Citizens leader Advocate Nelsonchamisa has announced the death of citizen volunteer Kelvin Bonzo, 41, who allegedly succumbed to injuries sustained in what the opposition describes as a politically motivated attack linked to the rejection of the Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. Zanabina Mouse Kubdanyuka Zanpe hooligans, key opposition supporter, projecting CAB3 to subscribe or like on the bill icon. Timna no more in a statement released on Monday. Chamisa condemned the incident and the renewed calls for an end to political violence in Zimbabwe. In quotes, it is with deep sadness that we mourn the passing of a citizen volunteer Kevin Bonzo, 41 of Chitumbiza North, Y25, who died yesterday, 26 July 2026, after weeks in hospital following a politically motivated attack on 14 June 2026. Political violence in Zimbabwe is an unacceptable scourge that must be stopped, Chamisa said. According to the statement, Bonzo was allegedly attacked on 14 June while walking home from Makoni shopping center where he had been watching a football match. Witnesses reportedly identified the assailants as ZANU-PF supporters who allegedly assaulted him with machetes and bricks while accusing him of backing the rejection of CAB3. The opposition says Bonzo was first admitted to Chitungwiza Hospital before being transferred to Sitmed Hospital for specialist treatment. Despite spending several weeks receiving medical care, he reportedly died from his injuries on 26 July. The incident is likely to intensify concerns over politically motivated violence in Zimbabwe, with opposition groups repeatedly accusing ZANU-PF activists of targeting perceived political opponents. The ruling party has previously denied sanctioning political violence. Chamisa concluded by expressing sympathy to the bereaved family, saying, "We extend our deepest condolences to the family, friends, and all citizens mourning this tragic loss. May his soul rest in eternal peace." Thomas Kwanamdanyo Kapangwa ine. Kuna comment section medu za kubira enyi wetu kulipa nzoro pichit kwa ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.